Hello, this is Boundless Joyce Game Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair a back cover on a Samsung SM-R860 unit. This is just a normal 860, so make sure to not use a 865U back cover. Make sure it's an 860. And the same thing goes to a 870. Make sure to use an 870 back cover instead of an 875U back cover on a 870 unit, because it is a LTE. The steps that you will see in this video, you can use the same steps on a 870 unit as well as a 875U unit, and also a SM-R865 Samsung unit as well. So you do not need to worry about using different types of steps or anything else. So first off, we're going to start off with a Y.6 Joe's screwdriver, and we're going to start unscrewing these 4 screws to the back cover. Once you have them all unscrewed, we're going to put the Y.6 screwdriver down. We're gonna grab a heat gun or some type of heat and just quickly go around the back cover just so the adhesive loosens up. Then we're gonna grab our Joe's pry tool, grab a little bit of alcohol. We're gonna start on the button side. We're just gonna push down like this, go up, and then go to the other side and do the same. You should just lift up just like that, put that away, grab our Joe's spudger. We're going to disconnect the back cover off the motherboard, just like that. And there we have it. It is removed the back cover. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our back cover and we're just going to reconnect it back to this connection with the plastic spudger. Once you have it connected, we're just gonna align it with the holes for the screws, and you can clip it back down just like this. Next, we're gonna grab our Joe's 0.6 screwdriver. We're gonna grab the screws and put them right back in where they go. You want to do this in a horizontal pattern, so go this way and go over here or over here and then go back down. Alright, so once everything is screwed in hand tight, alright, so the repair is finished. If you do not feel comfortable in doing this type of repair yourself, you could always send it to us. And all the tools that you saw in this video and all the parts that you saw in this video will be linked down below for this type of repair. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.